How to make any woman to go down with you. Number one, create a sexy bedroom environment. Now, you guys, my guys, the first thing you need to do if you really want to make a woman to go down with you is to consider being a romantic man, even once in a while. This will really make her go down with you and even fall in love with you more. Make sure to consider, surprising her with candles in the bedroom and a petal of flowers in the bedroom, or deciding to cook her a favorite dinner with her favorite wine, or deciding to prepare a bathtub dinner, making things lively and spicing things up. Being a romantic man, being a gentleman is such an attractive trait that all women crave to. So you guys, my guys, if you really want to make your woman to get in the mood of going down with you, make sure to be a romantic man. Make sure to create a romantic environment for your woman. And this is the first thing that you should always do if you really want a woman to go down with you, because every woman needs to rest. Every woman needs to clear her mind. And if she notices that you always put in the effort of trying to get in the mood, she will definitely get in the mood with you. Number two, buy her a sexy outfit. Now, you guys, my guys, the second thing you need to do if you really want a woman to go down with you is to consider getting her a gift that will always remind her of you when you are not around. So you guys, my guys, always consider getting your woman a gift. If it is a pair of underpants, if it is something that will remind her of you, this will really make her in the mood of always wanting to see you, always want to be around you. So you guys, my guys, I'd prefer you to get her an underpant that will always remind her of you, and she will always prefer to wear that underpant whenever she wants to go down with you, because this will really easily turn her on, especially if she is a woman that is madly in love with you. This will really turn her on and make her want to go down with you, because she is in the mood of you. She is in the mood of going down with you. So guys, my guys, always consider getting your partner a gift that will remind her of you. Number three, be gentle. You guys, my guys, another thing that you should always consider whenever wanting to make your woman to get in the mood of going down with you is to be gentle. Most of the men tend to go hard whenever they find that little chance. They tend to go hard and just jumping straight into the V and starting to thrust it. And you guys, my guys, women don't love rough men. It depends on the kind of the woman that you are wanting to go down with, but women don't like rough men. So make sure to pause things up and slow down the pace, so that you can feel the blood flow of your partner, so that you can feel connected to her, because women tend to be emotionally connected during physical intimacy. So if you really wanted to get in the mood with you, get to be gentle with her. Be gentle and travel on her body. Don't just isolate yourself in one place or two. Make sure you travel and touch all of her body, but make sure to be gentle on her. This will really make her in the mood for you, and this will really make her comfortable for you. So you guys, my guys, another thing that you need to consider is to be gentle enough. Number four, extend on foreplay. Now you guys, my guys, this is another thing that men tend to ignore, and most men tend not to do it. They don't take time on foreplay, and this is another thing that always make women in the mood more than penetration. Now you guys, my guys, always take your time on foreplay, because this is another form of getting a woman to get aroused before going down with you. Always consider making your woman feel good first before jumping into the V. You guys, my guys, It will really make your woman to beg for more and just wish to see you all the time because she is always in the mood for you. Number five, express genuine love. Now, you guys, my guys, this is the most important thing when you want to get a woman in the mood for you. You guys, my guys, always express a real love for the woman that you love because if she notices that you genuinely love her, she will automatically and always, get in the mood. Whenever she sees you, she will always be happy. You guys, my guys, always show her the real you. Always give her the reassurance to leave no doubt in her mind. Always give her your all because if she notices that you are always, making in the effort to love her genuinely, she will reciprocate because a woman really needs to feel close to a sexual partner so that she can be able to go down with him. So you guys, my guys, women always get emotionally connected during physical intimacy. That's why you need to show her real love and always compliment her looks, make her feel good about herself, make her feel like the only woman on earth. If you really do this, she will get in the mood for you always. Number six, cuddle with her. Now, you guys, my guys, another thing you need to do if you really want to get your woman in the mood with you, make sure you grab her. Make sure you grab her every time you want to sleep next to her. Every time she is sleeping next to you, make sure you grab her so that she can feel good about herself, so that she can feel loved and cherished in the relationship.